This brewer is fully featured for maximum beverage customization, and the brushed finish and metal detail blends seamlessly with your kitchen. Increase your coffee's strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the K-Elite Brewer. Select from 5 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. For full-flavored iced coffee, brew hot over ice by selecting the Iced button. Need hot water for instant soups or oatmeal? Just press the hot water button. The large, removable reservoir holds 75 ounces, which means you can brew 8 cups with just one fill. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. And the programmable on-off allows you to set the exact time your brewer turns on in the morning, helping to save energy. Using your K-Elite brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew, hot or iced, every time.
Craft coffee enthusiasts are always searching for the best tasting coffee possible. Through trial and error, skill and precision at every stage until they achieve that perfect cup. But is craft coffee truly achievable without that manual control? We set out in the pursuit of this enigma to create a brewer that surpasses the benchmarks. The Breville Precision Brewer takes craft coffee brewing to a whole new level and brings complete control over every critical element essential to craft. Adjustable and precise water temperature using PID digital control and adjustable flow rate for the right contact time. Precise temperature control and contact time are critical when it comes to optimising flavour balance. We abandoned the typical heating system that relies on steam and integrated our precision heating system that utilises a pump and PID-controlled thermocoil, delivering water at a precise and adjustable temperature and flow rate, allowing us to achieve the Gold Cup standard in brewing. But much more than that, we've created a machine that's capable of complete customisation and fine-tuned control at your fingertips, allowing you to adjust the machine to deliver any craft technique with ease. With 6 unique brewing modes, you can enjoy that perfect, balanced coffee exactly the way you like it. Gold Cup mode sets your brewing parameters automatically to meet SCA home brewing certification guidelines for temperature and contact time. Strong mode slows down the pump for a higher rate of extraction, resulting in a bolder tasting cup. Over ice compensates for ice dilution by producing a more concentrated brew. Cold brew delivers room temperature water and lets you dial in the desired brew time, then our unique steep and release valve automatically takes care of the rest. Customise with My Brew by tweaking all the parameters like bloom time, brew water temperature and flow rate to suit the particular coffee you're using, whether it's floral, fruity, earthy and so on. Or utilise the fast setting to brew a true 12 cup or 1.8 litres of fresh coffee in just 7 minutes. You can even have the machine brew into your own pour-over dripper. Now that's crafty. When it comes to precision and craft, we left nothing out. The search for that perfect tasting coffee ends here.
Coffee is part of your daily ritual, and making it better is part of ours. Drip by drip, cup by cup. We designed the OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker to meet the highest industry standards and exceed yours. We added a single-serve mode because sometimes one perfect cup is enough. The Better Brew Precision Brewing System starts with the push of a button, heating water to just the right temperature. With an integrated bloom cycle inspired by the pour-over brewing method to deliver a balanced, more flavorful cup. Our commitment to better brewing shows in every product we make, every time you brew, so you can savor every cup, every sip, every day. The OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker.
introduce to you today Moccamaster's newest model, the KBG Select. Moccamaster has been producing the finest coffee brewers for over 50 years. The new KBG Select, based on the legendary KBG model, which has been on the market since 1974, marks a new standard in brewing filter coffee for domestic and professional use. So let's get to know the brewer a little bit better. On the front, you will notice that the selector switch is integrated. This switch allows you to slow the flow of hot water into the filter basket on the coffee grounds. This feature gives you the possibility to brew a perfect cup of coffee in small and large quantities. It's very simple. If you brew more than 6 cups, you select the full jug on the brewer. Prefer less cups? Put the switch to half jug and the Moccamaster does the rest. The capacity of the new Moccamaster KBG Select is 1.25 liters. That equals 10 cups of coffee. Due to the unique copper heating element that's located in the housing, you brew these 10 cups in just 6 minutes. The copper heating element also guarantees a water temperature of 92 to 96 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect temperature for flavorful coffee without sour or bitter notes. The coffee is then held on the intelligent hot plate. This measures the amount of coffee in the jug to keep it warm between 80 and 85 degrees Celsius for a maximum of 40 minutes. Another great feature of this new model is the renewed outlet pipe. As you can see, it has 9 holes that really triggers the water drips from the outlet pipe. This creates a great spread over the water on the coffee grounds with a perfect extraction. The KBG Select is certified by the ECBC and the SCA for producing the golden cup of coffee. Just like all other models, this KBG Select is handmade in the Netherlands and comes with a 5-year warranty. All parts can be easily detached, so cleaning is a piece of cake. Speaking of cake, I feel like something yummy with a cup of coffee, so let's brew some. First of all, fill the water tank with fresh cold water with the desired amount of coffee you want to brew. I will start with 4 cups of coffee. Then fill the filter basket with the filter paper and insert the coffee grounds. I will do this with 2 scoops for 4 cups, which equals 30 grams of coffee. But, as coffee is a matter of taste, just experiment along the way. As we're going to brew 4 cups, put the selector switch in the right mode, which is half jug. Then, turn on the Moccamaster to let it do what it does best, brew your coffee. So, there you have it. Regardless the amount of coffee you want to brew, with the Moccamaster KBG Select you will always brew the perfect cup. This brewer is perfect for domestic, office and professional use and is available at moccamaster.eu or at specialized Moccamaster dealers. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee!